Hello, welcome to JTMM For Ghana. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to order items on JTMM platform. So this method is going to work for you both on the phone and also on the laptop. But today we are going to use the laptop or the computer to order our items from JTMM. So if you open the JTMM platform on your web browser, on your laptop or on your desktop computer, this is how you are going to see it. So first of all, you try to log in with your account. So if you check the account here, you could see that I have already logged into the account. So make sure you're already into your own account before you start processing. If you are not already in your account, please log into your account by entering either your email address or phone number and also the password that you use to create the account. Now that you've logged in with your account, everything that you do here is going to be in your account. So let's go through it. You can equally use the category area, which is also very fine. But now I want to scroll down. Okay, so I think this solar panel will be good for me. So I just click on the solar panel for it to open. As you can see, solar lights outdoor, 100 LEDs. 3 adjustment modes solar motion sensor light. So I think this is a very good. It's $12.85 US and 73.93 Ghana cedis. And this too, it depends on your rank. Since I'm just a customer, I will buy this product at 73.93. So original price in the US dollars is 11.68. which is 67.2. So anytime you are browsing the internet and you see this question mark here, please you can drop your mouse or your pointer on it. As you can see, they said accumulate 20 growth value to become a VIP. So now I want to become a VIP so that I'm able to get these items at a more lower price. This growth value is 11. So it means if I buy 2 of these, I can get the 20 GV to be a VIP. So why don't I buy 2 of these since they are also very good products? So what I would do is that I will just scroll down and then I press on this plus icon. Now the quantity is 1. So I just click on this one and now it is 2. 196 available in the inventory. So it means that if you don't buy these items very fast, people will buy them and then they'll be finished. So I've taken 2. You can either add to cart. You add to cart when you have an intention of buying another product in addition to what you've chosen. But if this is the only product you want to buy, then you can go to buy now. So now why don't we go to buy now and see what happens? Because we just need only these 2 products. Okay, so now they said we should enter our address. So first of all, the company name. So if you are buying this for a company, you will write your company name. But if you are buying this for yourself, you write your full name. So let me write let's say I'm buying this for my company. So I will say I'm buying this for Rapid Entrepreneurs. So Rapid Entrepreneurs, I think I'm correct. And then we'll add our phone number. So the phone number you select +233 for Ghana, and also you add the phone number. You can ignore the 0 and start with whatever numbers that follows the 0. Okay, so now I'll enter my address, company name, the floor. So the address, I will say South Central. So it could be where you are living, where you are staying. You can use that also. You can also use maybe a train distribution center like Ashama for your delivery address. So whichever way that you are interested in, you can use. So I will say South Central. Now the street and house number or pickup location. So I will say South Central. So let me write Tiens office. Something like this is okay. Now the country is Ghana, and the state could be Ashanti. So we choose Ashanti here. The city is Kumasi. So Kumasi Central. And then the Abrepor, Adesheman, Amanfrom, Bantama. I think Bantama is okay. So let's choose Bantama. The postcode. So please, if you are writing the postcode, you can use 00233. This is the normal postcode for Ghana. That's Ghana's number. But if you want to be more specific, you just open your browser and type postcode for maybe Bantama, postcode for Ashama, postcode for Accra. Wherever you are living, you just type in there, you get the exact postcode. But you can use this general postcode as well. So now that we've set all of these, you can set this address as default, so that the next time if you want to buy something from JTMM, you don't need to provide another address. So now let's set as default, so that always JTMM will recognize this address and then ship all our items to this particular address. Anytime that you want to change the address, in case your address changes, then you have the opportunity to come down here to change the address. Okay, so now let's confirm this. So now they're saying billing address. If you do not have a billing address, we will use the shipping address as your billing address. So that is it. So let's confirm this first, then we continue. Click on confirm. Okay, so it means that our address that we just entered has been confirmed. Rapid Entrepreneur, South Central, so South Central Etienne's office, Bantama, Kumasi, Central, Ashanti. So now let's go to a delivery mode. Do we want a door-to-door delivery? Okay, so now we can take on the door-to-door delivery. If you choose the door-to-door delivery, it means they are going to bring it to your doorstep. That is how they are going to do. Now, let's talk about payment. The step 3, they said we should select a payment method. You can either use a Visa card, a MasterCard, or PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, you can use it, or any of these other payment methods. So if you have a coupon code, you will first use your coupon code here to get the reduction that they've given you. But currently, I'm not having any coupon code, so I'll just leave this place blank. I'm going to use a Visa card, which is fine. So the Visa card has been chosen. If you want to use a MasterCard, you click on this one, then it's highlight or it takes here. If you want to use PayPal, you take here. But now, I want to use Visa card. So let's confirm this also. So in all, I'm going to pay 211 Ghana cedis, which is not bad. So let's confirm. Okay, so now they brought me to the payment area. All you need to do is to type your card number here. So I will hide my card number so that no one sees it to use it for any purchase. But you add your card number there. Now the card holder name, you type the name that is on the card. Please type the full name that is on the card. Very, very important. So when will the card expire? So if you check on your card, you see that you see the expiring date for the card. So just enter the expiring date Mine is January 23, 2023. So I just choose it. January 2023, that is when it's going to expire. Now CVV2, CVC2, and CAV2. When you look at the back of the card, you will see some 3 numbers there. So those 3 numbers is what they term as the CVV2 and the other. So you just put the numbers there and just click on pay. So let's see what happens when I click on pay. Always make sure that what you've typed is correct. Now let's click on pay. If any of the entries is not correct, they will alert you. So here you can save your card so that anytime that you are buying something from JTMM, they are going to use your card details. But if you don't want to save, you can say no thanks, because it could also happen that all the time you will be changing your Visa card or your MasterCard. So that is it. So now they are saying that your purchase requires additional verification. For your security, you must receive a one-time authorization code. By clicking continue, you agree to receive the code at the mobile number or email address selected below. So I think my phone number is okay, so I can continue. If you don't want to use your phone number, you can just take here. If you click on the email, it means that you are going to receive the notification through your email address. But if you take the phone number, it means you're going to see the verification on your phone number. So whichever way you feel convenient to use. So let me use my phone number for the verification. So I click on continue. So now they are telling me to enter the phone number there. So I'll enter my number here. I've just received it. 764032. Then I'll click on submit. Voila. So you see that they said success. Now the payment has been confirmed and it has been agreed. My order number has been given me, and the payment description, solar lights outdoor, exactly what I chose. And also the authorization code is here with me, and the card type that I used to do the purchase was a Visa card, and the card holder name is also here, and the total amount in the United States dollars is 36.83. So now our purchase is very, very successful. So you see that it doesn't take much to do an order on JTMM. So now that it has been confirmed, you can go back to your shop, or you can close the browser and do whatever you want to do. So thank you very much for being with me today on how to do your purchase on JTMM. You can ask us any question through our Facebook page and also our YouTube channel and also our WhatsApp platform. So have a nice day and enjoy your JTMM e-commerce platform.